Hey guys, so this is Allie. So we're going to be doing the infamous drip dye that you guys have been seeing all over the place. And so this is Allie's hair right now. So she's pretty much all natural. She does have a little bit of blonde on her ends. But of course, when we're using any of those funky colors, we need to make sure that we're getting her to a white color first. We got a really nice color palette that we're putting on there. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna do a full head bleach and tone to get her really light. Allie's super excited, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
A little excited, nervous. She's finally gotten her hair to a point that it's super healthy. And so we're gonna make sure that we're doing this properly so that her hair stays healthy and that ongoing we can keep her blonde ongoing. And that's all, so stay tuned. We are going to start applying the lightener to the hair. We're going to start in the back sections and work our way to the front just because she is a slight bit darker underneath here, which is natural with this type of hair color. We're going to make sure to leave about a ½ inch section right at the new growth. The reason for this is because the heat from the scalp will cause it to process faster than the rest of the hair, and we want to have even processing. So we're going to go through and do the mid shafts and the ends from about ½ inch from the root, and then go back later and do that ½ inch section. We have the first part of the lightening process all applied now. You can see how we have it all applied except the first ½ inch section from the scalp. Now we're going to work our way back through the hair and apply the lightener to all the hair that has been left out so that the entire head is covered. Take a look at the whole head applied now. You can see how even it's lightening, and you can see how much quicker near the scalp lightens because of the heat. Here's the hair all washed out. You can take a look now. We do see a little bit of warmth, obviously, while the whole head is warm because it is freshly lightened without tone. But in here we see some kind of warmer, almost like darker hues of yellow. But when you actually look at the individual strand and take a look at it, you can see that overall the hair is actually very light. So sometimes that is what happens. The hair almost plays a bit of an illusion on us where it looks like there's more warmth in there that needs to be lightened out, but actually it is actually very light. So we don't want to over process the hair and take it past further what we need. So we're going to tone it and go from there. Here is her new growth toner all applied now. It is very important to make sure that you're mixing different toners based on what remaining pigment is left. If you have hair that looks like this that has a little bit of variance in the strand and you put one toner on from roots to ends, you are not going to get an even blonde color at the end. So I'm going to have two formulas here. One that I'm putting more on this new growth area where it's lightened out much whiter, and then another formula for the ends. Toner all applied now, and you can see how the color is starting to process very evenly. All right, we're all done now. Check out how beautiful Allie's blonde looks. So big process for sure, but this is step one. We're gonna show you the next video too when we do the drip dye. So we had to tone her hair at a root with a different shade, and then the rest of it for it to all come out even like this. So it looks really awesome. How do you like it, Allie?
I love it.
She's gone from her natural color to this. She was natural for like a year before doing this. But the great thing about doing this properly, you can see how healthy her hair is. We round brushed it, we combed it, like there's no problems with this whatsoever. Look how nice and shiny it is. So if you guys have any questions about this, leave a comment below. We put out videos every Friday, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Other than that, check us out, nvenn.com. We have all our products on there. And yeah, we'll see you guys next week. Bye. See you. Bye.
Bye.